Good morning, Brevard County. It's 01:30 on Monday morning. What's the O stand for? Oh my gosh, it's early. Why would I be up this time? It's concrete pouring time out at Titusville property. We're going to head out there and watch some concrete get poured. Catch back up with you in a bit. We're out here. Wouldn't be a Monday without a little excitement. Got the truck stuck pulling in. It's Monday. Morning.
Good morning.
Who are you? What are you doing here so early?
Getting ready to pour 400 yards of concrete.
Nice. Who do you work for?
AOTC and Rise Construction Services.
Very good. What are you doing here so early?
I'm getting ready to watch the concrete being poured.
Awesome.